This is Sharika, UR1 for CS122. Today I'm going to explain about managing text in DBMS, a data model for XML, that is Xqueries. So when we consider web page that is made out of HTML, it is a structured data. Hence we can use SQL for querying, for retrieving data from that document. But when it comes to XML, it is a semi-structured data, so hence SQL doesn't work on that. So today we are going to see a model that can be created for XML and Xqueries, with which we can retrieve data from an XML document. So first we create a graph model. So a graph model, what we do is basically the outer in XML we use user defined tags. So hence the outermost tag goes here, that is a restaurant, and then the one that is right, the tags inside that is a name, entry, phone, comes right after that, below that, and then the values are present in the leaf nodes. So this is how it works. So first for an XML document we create a graph model, and then later using the graph model we create an object exchange model. So the object exchange model should be clean and clear. It should be so as soon as we see, we should be able to figure out what is present there. So from now on we are going to use an example of a document in XML that has the author's name, the books, the year of publication, and so on. So in this object exchange model, so here first we see the last name, which is a string, and the last name is Feynman. So in such a way it should be really easy for the user to understand. So from the graph model the object exchange model is created. So after that, so for retrieving data from an XML document we use Xqueries. So here for is basically from that we use in SQL, and return is similar to the select that we use in SQL. So here we are selecting a document called www.bookstore.com, which is an XML document, and then we are selecting the author name and the last name. So this is what we are doing here, and the output of this would be the last name, result, last name will be displayed, then again the result, last name of the documents will be displayed. And the next, let is similar to from, but the difference is in the output is displayed as a single document. So here when we see result and the two names the last names get displayed, and only after that the result tag closes. Whereas when we used for, as you can see here, result, the last name of one document gets displayed, then the result tag closes, and then the next document is displayed separately. So that is the difference between for and let. And next we can use the where clause, just like what we use in SQL. So here we retrieve the data from the document where the published date is 1980. So as we see, this is the result, the first name and last name of the document, which has the publication year as 1980 gets displayed. And then we can also use ordering. We can also order elements. So the same way as in SQL we use sort by. So in this query we are sorting the data by title. And then we can also use grouping, and then distinct is exactly same as what we use in SQL. It avoids duplication, and then it is grouped according to author name. Thank you.